Right, for more on this story, we're joined by the spokesperson of the National Prosecuting Authority, Phindi Mjonondwane. Thank you for being with us, Ms. Mjonondwane. The National Prosecuting Authority not going ahead. Can you confirm this is not a case where somebody is being let off the hook because they are politically connected?
Good evening, and thank you for inviting us. Yes, we can confirm that the NPA declined to prosecute Mr. Manana as there were no prospects of a successful prosecution. And no, it has nothing to do with his social standing, but rather with the facts that were contained in the docket at the time that the senior public prosecutor took a decision.
Why is there no prospect of success?
I beg yours?
Why is there no prospect of success?
Okay, if I may just make an example that contained in the docket were statement of the complainant and an eyewitness. And this eyewitness statement corroborated Mr. Manana's version and did not corroborate the version of the complainant. And now the next question was, can we take this matter to court having a statement that corroborates the version of the accused instead of the complainant? Already the scales of justice were weighing against us.
Corroboration, is that everything though? I mean, it is difficult. I hear what you're saying. There's no one to prove her story, but what does that mean for every rape victim, for everyone who's in a situation when it was only them?
Well, I heard her speaking earlier on, and obviously she feels aggrieved. There are recourse mechanisms within the NPA wherein if she feels aggrieved about the decision of the senior public prosecutor, there is still and the office of the chief prosecutor of East Rand, the office of Mr. Thomas Libua, or the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in South Gauteng, which is the Office of Advocate Andrew Chauke, where she can lay her complaint and cite her dissatisfaction for them to then handle the matter further.
Did you factor in a history of assault? I mean, the whole country saw what Mduduzi Manana did in a nightclub.
Well, with the issue of the nightclub, fortunately, we had enough evidence to prosecute, and hence it resulted in a successful prosecution. So in this instance, the senior public prosecutor felt that there is no prima facie case against Mr. Mduduzi Manana.
All right. What about the audio recording that went viral, where he seemed to be offering her money not to go ahead with the case? So was that factored in?
Well, it is one of the things that Mr. Thomas Libua will be considering in doing the checks and balances to check as to whether or not indeed the decision of the senior public prosecutor was correct.
All right, so for now this matter is basically closed. He, in turn, accused Christine Wiro of extortion. Where is that case?
I beg yours?
He, Mduduzi Manana, accused her, Ms. Wiro, of extortion. What has happened with that case?
Okay, I can confirm that there were 3 cases involving the same incident. The one that was laid by the complainant, Ms. Wiro, the one that was laid by Mduduzi Manana against Ms. Wiro, which was also declined, and the one that was laid by a DA member was also declined. So all 3 cases were declined for prosecution.
All right, so Mduduzi Manana, thank you very much for the NPA's Phindi Mjonondwane for joining us. Mduduzi Manana is off in terms of facing the law when it came to the claim of his former domestic worker that he threatened to push her down a staircase. Of course, he will be appearing before the Joint Ethics Subcommittee in Parliament on Wednesday, and he was convicted of those previous assault claims in that nightclub last year. So that's what Parliament will be looking at.